Well, hello there, folks. This is Paw G, your compost gardening CEO, is back with another procuring compost gold. Another procuring compost gold video and watermelon show. Hey guys, Paw G got another watermelon. Yes, indeed. It's me. It's Paw G. How you guys doing? Paw G's doing fine, as you can see. Hey, doing great. Anyway, when I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw bull raining around the hills and mountains. Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry streets. With a ring ting tang and a ting 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 and a through the way, a bow wow wow and a moo 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 and a heap of people that I do know. And through the way we'd run play ball, and through the way we would run. Yes guys, it's me, back again, Paw G. Guys, I spent a day yesterday procuring and picking up composting gardening gold, and now I'm out here finishing up picking up some more compost gardening gold, guys. Here it is, compost gardening gold, guys. That's what this is. Mulched up sycamore tree leaves. Mulched up sycamore tree leaves. See it? They've dumped them. They've dropped them out of the trees. And Paw G is procuring the gold that they left. Hey, all down on the yard. Hey guys, you can see some have blown over here. Some more has blown over here from the other yard. But you know, that's all right. That's okay. We can mulch them anyway. It'll just be more gold, guys. More gold. More compost gardening gold, guys. That's what that is. This is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful gold. I'm gonna set the camera up so you guys can watch me pick it up. Paw G on the case, as you can see. I'm gonna take you guys back there and take a look at the compost gardening in a minute. The compost garden. I got some. I'm gonna hook up the hose, the water hose, and take it back and knock off some of the grass, the cut grass that when I was mulching up yesterday. I got cut grass on the leaves and everything. But anyway, I'm gonna go back there and take the water hose and knock it off. Knock it off. Were you laughing at Paw G? Laughing at Paw G? Then knock it off. Like I'm gonna knock these leaves, this grass off of these plants back here. That's a leaf. Hey, no problem for Paw G, guys. No problemo. Look at here. This is gold, guys. I got my shovel. This is a big snow shovel, too, or something. Big snow shovel. Hey. Got to get it all, guys, today. Got to get it all. Get it. Got to get it, guys. No problemo. Look at that gold, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that gold. Compost gardening gold, guys. That's what that is. Compost gardening gold. Yep. Real fine gold. Real fine. So fine it almost blows your mind. the good vegetables. That this can, and fruit trees, because I'll probably put some around the fruit trees too. Well, I may not put too much of leaves around the fruit trees. I may just put it in the garden so it doesn't wash away so easily. But anyway, if I come across some more soil, I'll probably put it on top of this most of gold, so we don't lose it. So we don't lose it all in the rain and everything. Yes, compost gardening gold, guys. Compost gardening gold. Look at it. We're gonna take it back and probably spread it out in the garden. Oh yeah, I guess you got all those leaves. For you guys who hadn't seen one of the videos yet of it's time. 1, 2, 3, and now this is going to be number 4. It's time to pick up the golden compost gardening gold. We mulched it up. 1 was mulching it up, and 2 was beginning to pick it up, and now 3 was also a continuation of the pickup, and now 4 it may be the finishing up. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Hey, things get to working, get to clicking in Papa G's mind, and it might be a 5, 6, 7, 8 episode. Wouldn't that be great? I think so. Yeah, I made it to the gym this morning, guys. I hope you look back at that video. You know, as you know, Popo GB drops a whole lot of golden nuggets, guys. And so it's good, it's wise to subscribe to Popo G's channel at Centflix, CENTFLICKS. And you probably can just type in Popo G, and I'll pop up. And the channel will pop up. But anyway, guys, I got that pile picked up. Got that gold rush. I rushed that gold pile and picked it up. Now let's move over here and get this other one. Picking up gold, guys. On the side, this pile is on the side of this beautiful watermelon. Y'all remember the guys used to holler out the trucks? You older guys, you older people will remember that. They used to holler out the truck window, passing through the neighborhood. Watermelon. But anyway, Papa G love watermelons, guys. It's a real cool-on. As a matter of fact, Papa G has another half in the refrigerator. Papa, Granny D and Papa G, we got another half of watermelon in the refrigerator. And you know what? I'm thinking that might be a good time to quench my thirst, because I'm a little thirsty right now. Be able to quench my thirst and eat some meat of a swell watermelon as a treat. How about that? Yes, indeed, yes. That's a thought. And who knows, I might sit down with the camera, turn the camera back on, and eat it with you guys. And hopefully you're sitting comfortably in your home. I sit and eat it with you guys. And you guys can get you a snack. Get you something. I don't know, some of you may have a watermelon. You may be to use Papa G's strategy and procured a watermelon for yourself and got it out in the yard in the sun like Papa G. Hey, it works, guys. It works. Hey, I gave this one a real good squeeze. Let me turn the camera around. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. But I gave the watermelon a real good squeeze, and gave it a real good squeeze, and then brought it out here and put it in the yard, guys. And it's been out here sunning all day. It's been taking been out here sunning, and I ain't put no suntan lotion on it though, you know. It's melanated. Yeah, but anyway. Here we go, guys. We loading them up. And you guys stick around. I'm planning on putting you guys on a wheelbarrow and take a ride with Popo G again today, like I did the other day. If you other guys for you guys who hadn't subscribed, when you be able to get all of my videos when they be uploaded. But then you missed that ride the other day. Hey, the subscribers that have subscribed and saw when the video came out, got to ride live. Well, it's recorded, but hey, it's as live as it can be right now. Popo G got to learn how to do live videos, guys. Y'all put it in the comments how to do live videos. But anyway, put it in the comment section. I'm glad you guys stopped back by with Popo G again today. We had a long day yesterday, guys, didn't we? We had a long day, but we got it done. We got it done. We even got the leaves mulched up in the backyard. That Popo G had been talking about mulching them up after they all fall onto the sycamore tree. Got them mulched up yesterday, guys. Yes, indeed. Getting it up, picking up the gold, guys. Picking up gold today. We're picking up gold. Compost gardening gold. Yeah, I named this video Compost Gardening. Well, it's Tyyime episode 4, something like that. I'll do something like that, some kind of title. But it'll be in reference to the other one. It'll probably be 4. That's it, guys. Got it down. Watermelon rind. Look at the scoreboard and see who's behind. Who's behind, guys? Or what's behind? Those weeds! Those weeds in the watermelon in the garden. That's what's behind those weeds. Yeah, they behind. Those weeds are behind. Okay, guys, I'm going. Let's see. Going to a cigarette butt got out here some kind of way. I guess it might have blown. I'm gonna go put it in the fire drum. Burn down. straight away. Straight away. All right, guys, let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Pick you guys up and get ready to go back to the compost garden, guys. We're going back to the compost garden now. And we set this up here like this. And we're gonna ride. Go for a ride, guys. To the compost garden. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Look over here. All this mulching material has blown back over here after I cut the yard, guys. Anyway, there's more gold, more mulch, gold, more mulch to go to mulch up into gold. Compost gardening gold, guys. Let's see. What I'm gonna do is yesterday I didn't finish spreading that out on the other end over there. That's gold already that I've already transferred back here, guys, to the compost garden. Y'all see why I'm gonna hook up the hose in a little bit and come back here and spray off these leaves, spray these leaves off, and that got kicked up here when I was cutting the grass. I was mulching up. Look at that, guys. Papa G's been mulching them up. Just like I promised you guys, just like I said I would. They've all fallen down from the sycamore trees, and Papa G has mulched them up and made a pile out of them. You know, that's the compost pile over there, guys. What I'll probably do at times is dig down when I get ready to bury some material. Dig down to the ground and dig a hole and then bury it and then cover it back over with the mulched up grass and dried leaves, and you know, so it can all just continue to decompose. That's right, guys. I'm gonna set this up and let you guys watch me spread it out, and then I'm gonna go and get the hose and knock these plants off, guys. Knock these. See, I kicked up a lot of compost, a lot of mulched up material on my plants, on these plants out here. And so what I'm gonna do is go get the hose and hook it up, and then just clean them off, blow them off. It's like blowing them off. If I had a blower, I'd just take a blower and blow it off. But they can probably use some water. They was expecting it to rain some more this evening. It rained some this morning, and we've been